Come on, get up in there. Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming to or back to my channel. I appreciate it more than you know. As the title states, I didn't get what I wanted. And what that thing that I wanted was a nose piercing. I know it sounds like whatever, but my birthday, my solar return was on August 25th, and I turned 47 years old. And I wanted to do something on that day to, just something extra. I don't celebrate my birthday, a little bit of background. I don't celebrate my birthday, and I haven't celebrated it in about 3 years for just personal reasons. I don't celebrate my birthday, but on that day I do like doing a little bit extra. So I was going to go pierce my nose. I've wanted to pierce my nose for the longest time, like for years. And I ran it by my husband, and he's like, no, but I can wean him down just a little bit. But he's like, no, and I'm like, come on, baby, blah, blah. So I want to do it for years. So I've been doing research for years, and I came across the perfect place. I knew exactly where I was going to go. It was someplace in Maryland called Freya. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but the reviews are outstanding. And since I was finally going to do it on that day, what you have to do now is you can't just go in anymore. You need an appointment because of all the stuff that's going on in the world. You need an appointment now, and you have to make that online. And before you can even make the appointment, you have to sign a waiver. And on this waiver, it says, on the first, there's a few questions on there, but the very first question / statement was, no, I am not pregnant. And I was like, dang it. So that just took it out right there. If y'all didn't know, I am pregnant. I'll do a video on that next. But yes, I am pregnant, and that's the reason why I didn't get what I wanted, because of that reason. They don't pierce. A reputable place doesn't pierce noses, or pierce, I think, at all when you are pregnant. It has something to do with the interruption of your nervous system or something like that. I did a little bit after I realized I couldn't, get my nose pierced. I did some tiny bit of why can I get my nose pierced? I'm good, you're not piercing my belly. But yes, it has something with the interruption of the nervous system, and that can affect the baby. And I highly, I respect that. But I didn't, I'm a lot disappointed, because I was waiting for all this time, and I knew what I was going to do on that day. And so, yeah, but that's okay, because I like making jewelry. I'm a jewelry advocate. I have been for years and years. If you've been part of my channel, you can see I used to follow a young lady that would sell this jewelry that I still wear to this day. Right here, these bracelets. But anyway, all that to be said, I now make my own jewelry, and I used to sell it. I stopped. I probably will start selling it again. I'm going off on a little tangent. But since I didn't get my nose pierced, I made something for myself for on that special day. And I'm going to show you what it is right now. I didn't make it on that day. I actually just made it, but I figured, because I'm still like, oh, what am I going to do? I have been making this jewelry before. I just haven't been wearing it. But for some reason, something came to me. I'm like, I want to make it like this. I want to wear a nose piercing like this. So I'm going to show you. Come on, get up in there. So here's what I wanted. Well, not my original piercing. I don't think you can get a piercing like this. But since I couldn't get one, I decided to make a nose cuff. And like I said, I make jewelry. I love it. I wear it all the time. I've made all of these beaded bracelets, and I've made all of these. And I've made the necklace. You can't see the necklace I'm wearing. I make I go in and I love it. So I was like, you know what, since Raina, you can't have your nose pierced, it's not the end of the world. You already make jewelry anyway. You've made nose cuffs before, why don't you make one extremely special for you know, that special day? And so I did, and so I made this one. There's it's a little dangle right there. I know a lot, it's not for everybody. It's not something that, oh, I can never wear that. Probably, yeah, and that's totally fine. But for me, I really, 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 really like it. I think it's unique for me, and I like it. But yeah. So though I didn't get what I wanted, I still made the best out of what I could. Dangle, dangle, dangle. Not much to this video, no, you know, how to or anything like that. But if you want to know how I did this, I will be happy to make a video like that. But yeah, that's all. I didn't get what I wanted, but I did because I made it happen myself. And all that, I can always take this off and not have a, you know, everything happens for the best, right? It does. That's what I like to believe. As always, please keep elevated thoughts, a pure heart, and a free spirit, and stay in the moment. Much love to all of you. My name is Raina, and thank you for coming to my channel. Mwah. See you next time.